Hi everyone, I'm Luiza, member of the organizing team, and we are very happy to see you all here today. We'd like to welcome you to the first workshop on control theory and partial differential equations. This workshop is promoted by the Fluminense Federal University in partnership with its graduate program in mathematics, organized by Juan Limaco, Luis Viana, Reginaldo Demarque, and Carlos Guzman, the PDE group at Fluminense Federal University, with the financial support from FAPERJ. This event will be a scientific meeting with the purpose of creating a discussion forum between students, teachers, researchers from educational and research institutions, having as areas of interest partial differential equations and control theory for systems governed by EDPs. In addition to the presentation of recent works by researchers, the event also features the promotion of plenary lectures and short courses with internationally renowned researchers. The event should take place in person, but due to the pandemic situation, it will take place online. And again, we really appreciate your presence here today. At the outset, on behalf of the organizing committee, we wish to thank the presenters for accepting our invitation to share their experiences. We also thank those who have accepted to collaborate in sharing the various sessions of this workshop. Let me conclude by saying that we hope this workshop will bring you new insights to our work. I'm sure that we will use this workshop to share and exchange our experiences with other people here by our side or even around the world. And we wish you all very fruitful discussions, and we look forward to our recommendations at the end of the day. And now we would like to introduce to you the coordinator of the mathematics graduate from IME, Professor Max Souza.
Thank you, Luiza. And on behalf of the graduate program in mathematics at UFF at the University Federal Fluminense, I welcome you all, participants, speakers, attendees, to this workshop on control theory and PDEs. And since this is a workshop in mathematics, and the folklore in mathematics always tells that we are very fond of numbers, and in this case, numbers are indeed very impressive. I mean, we have 6 plenary talks, 22 invited speakers, more than 400 attendees, and the event will span 10 time zones, 8 countries, and going from as west as Santa Barbara as east as Bari in Italy, and as south as Maringá, and as well as north as Cortopal. I mean, so it's really diverse in geography, diverse in participation, and diverse in, as I should say, also in the topics and aspects, and so in the speakers. And this was as a partnership between the PD group and the graduate program and UFF as a whole. I mean, 3 of the plenary speakers are our partners in our CAP Spring program. And but not only that, I mean, it's everyone has already organized some conference. Know that this also comes, a conference only comes by hard work of people. And in this case, this is the hard work of this very young group of PD group at the leadership of Professor Juan Limaco. And so I'd like to give my special thanks to Juan and to Carlos Guzman, to Luis Viana, and to Reginaldo Demarque for putting such hard effort in this beautiful workshop. And just to finish, and I mean, I think to give the keys to Andrea so they can actually open the gates to you, is I think it's fair to say that pandemics has changed the world. I mean, the world as we know, for all of us, we have been through very short times, but I think that this is a celebration time. I mean, it's a celebration that we endeavor as a species fighting this disease, we endeavor as a community, and having the opportunity to do what we do, to do our research, to present, to discuss, and this is for me is a very important moment. In the meantime, I think stay safe and enjoy the conference ahead, and thank you for the opportunity to be here.
Thank you for your words, Professor Souza. Now we would like to introduce to you Professor Andrea Latge, Dean of Research and Innovation of the program UFU, who will declare the official opening.
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, good morning for all the people here, our inviters from different countries and Brazilian regions, and all the students that are very important to be here. Very, very important to be here. In particular, I would like to thank the invitation of Professor Juan Limaco, Vice Director of the Mathematics Institute of our university, and also coordinator of this very important event. I'm very happy to be here together in the opening section of the workshop of control theory and partial differential equation. First, I would like to give, in name of the Universidade Federal Fluminense, a warm-hearted welcome for all the participants, Brazilian and foreign participants, that greatly contribute to make a really high-quality event. It's a very difficult moment, and I believe that it's really important to celebrate it as being a mark of the compromise you have in maintaining life, the science, mainly due to its relevance for the technological and cultural work developing. And we cannot stop in this moment. Rather, we have to stand up to all challenges and go ahead as we are doing just now. We are trying to create ways of survive and overcoming the imposed difficulties of the coronavirus pandemic. This event is one of the solutions found. For the people, for the foreign people and all the invited speakers that will be presented the recent advances in the topics of the conference, of the workshop, we'd like to say that we invite you all to come next time to know our university in a real way. I'm sure I will have another chance to receive you all physically in the Mathematics Institute, and I would like to let you know all the university campus. It will be a great pleasure for sure. Come here next time. As you probably know, I'm not a mathematician, but being a physicist, we work in a very correlated area, and of course, I would certainly appreciate to attend the talks and seminar of the themes present here in the workshop. I'm sure that the topics that will be discussed here within the next 3 days will open a great opportunity to increase collaborations between the research and the young students. This is quite important for we all. I congratulate all the members of the organization committees, all the speakers and participants from inside and outside. And I do hope you have a good time and enjoy the workshop. Thank you for the invitation. Have a good time here.
Thank you. We really appreciate your words, Professor Latge.